10.5? So round it up to. And what's the 11th number?
42.
Now watch this. This is not a big shortcut, so it doesn't make sense to worry about it. I had to go 4 in for Q1 from the bottom. So I got to go 4 in from the top for Q3 because they're going to be symmetric. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 42 is the answer to like the universe and everything. Somebody got that reference? Somebody got it. Thank you. My fellow geeks. My fellow geeks. I'm not a geek. I just like to read books. Now, watch this. Something called the 5-number summary is based off of what we just did. How would you summarize, get out of there, Q4, what the hell am I doing? How would you summarize a game? Football game, basketball game, you would say, all right, before the game, everybody feels this way. And then the game starts. At the end of the first quarter, this is happening. End of the second quarter, then the third quarter. And then at the end of the game, this is what happens. So that's what the 5-number summary does. The lowest data point, Q1, Q2, Q3. The highest data point. That's the 5-number summary. Fascinating. So when I say find the 5-number summary, this is what I mean. So what's the lowest data point? 11. Q1 was 18, 30, 42, and then the highest one was 55. Okay. And then here's how you make a box plot. Right. I need a scale to get everything from 11 to 55. So maybe I'll start at 10. Let's go by 5s, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. All right, Jeff, take it down just a notch, dude. Okay. Guys, with me. Scales have always got to be consistent. Don't say 10, 15, 38, 49, height. No. So here's what's going to be a little different. I want you to draw a line above each one of these. So I'm going to put a line for 11, 18, 30, 42, 55. That's exciting. Did I let us out really early last time? I guess I did. The hell? All right. Box off the middle, whiskers out to the end. Have you ever seen a shape like that somewhere? That's a box plot. Can anyone tell me, is that all right? Is that hard? Is it new? Yes. Is it hard? No. Can anyone tell me what percentage is in the box? What's in the box?
Average?
Yeah. No. I don't have a clue about the average. But what percentage is in the box? 50%. Why? Because what was this guy again? Q3. What's below him? 75%. This was Q1. What's below him? So what is in the middle? 50%. So that is the middle 50%. Very often, if you're researching colleges, they'll tell you the middle 50% of GPAs of people who attend the college, or the middle 50% SATs. Because that's kind of like ignores the extremes, the under and overachievers, and just looks at the heartland of the college. I don't know why I say it like heartland. Oh, I either need something or I took too much of something. All right. So I think that's enough. We got to let these people in because they're so excited. They're not in my class, though. You're going to hear me say shit. Except get out. Oh, so you have how many are between 63 and 65? Yeah, 3. Oh, so again, same thing. How many are between 66 and 62? And then it's starting at 66, it count all the 66, 67. Oh, it's not late until you turn it in after the test. So, see what it's on. Quiz, though, it's not enough. Make sure. Yeah. Yeah.
I also took stats in high school. With
Victor!
That,
Okay. Sorry.
I took stats in high school. Do I still need to like take this course kind of thing or no?
If you placed into it, yeah.
Okay.
But you could, if you have a transcription, you talk to the department chairs.
Yes.
Sean Hicks and Steve Davis. What's your last name? I forget.
Lennon.
I have the list in my. One of them deals with certain last names